This is a Windows Media Player playlist. It's just a text file listing your songs. It doesn't contain the music itself. If the song's moved, this playlist is empty. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain how it works. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the WPL format fails. More on this later. A WPL file is a playlist format used by Windows Media Player. It contains a list of media files, audio and video, and their locations, allowing users to create and save custom playlists. The file itself is an XML-based text file that references the actual media files. It does not contain the media data itself. WPL files are structured using XML with elements defining the playlist's title, creator, and individual media entries. Each media entry includes the file path or URL of the audio or video file. The format supports relative and absolute paths, allowing for flexibility in playlist creation and portability. The root element is typically else. The optimal viewer for the WPL format is generally considered to be Microsoft Windows Media Player from Microsoft Corporation. The archive size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows handles simple playback, but multitrack or effect-based editing requires advanced audio tools. Your first troubleshooting move: right-click your WPL file and select Open With. See if Microsoft Windows Media Player is available and test it. If it is not visible, select a different program. Testing multiple openers is standard practice. If the WPL file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the WPL problem. First, use Media Player. Open the file using Windows Media Player, the required application for the playlist. Next, open as text. Open the WPL file in a text editor, Notepad, to view the XML structure and file paths. Finally, check associated files. Ensure all media files referenced in the playlist are present and accessible. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.